In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into NordVPN on your desktop. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the NordVPN application installed on your computer. If you haven't done this yet, you'll need to download it from the official NordVPN website and follow the installation instructions provided. It's quite straightforward, but a crucial first step. Assuming you have the application installed, go ahead and open it. You should see the main window of the app appearing on your screen. Now, focus your attention on the Login button. This button is typically front and center, designed to catch your eye. Go ahead and click it. Once you've clicked the Login button, something interesting happens. A browser window opens up automatically. This window will direct you to your Nord account login page, providing a secure environment for you to enter your credentials. Now that you're on the login page, you'll see a field where you need to enter either your email address or your username associated with your NordVPN account. Choose whichever you feel most comfortable using and type it into the box. Making sure this information is correct is crucial, as it's the first step in accessing your account. Once you've entered your email or username, you'll notice a Continue button become active. Click this button to move to the next stage of the login process. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Take a moment here to ensure you type it in accurately. If you've activated Single Sign-On, or SSO, you might see options to log in using Google or Apple credentials instead. This feature can simplify the login process if you've previously linked your NordVPN account with those services. Select the option best suited for you. If you're entering your password manually, simply type it in and then press the Submit button. And that's it. That's how you log into NordVPN on your desktop. This straightforward process is designed to be quick and efficient, ensuring you can get connected to a VPN server and start browsing securely as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below or check NordVPN's official support resources. Stay secure and happy browsing.